I'm not sure it's coming across, but this is like the most magical atmosphere ever. I woke up at 5 in hopes of having this place all to myself. And the closer you get to the source, the hotter it gets. Wow. But the snow is falling down lightly. The moon is full. That was amazing. I'm so glad I woke up early for that. I gotta get some coffee. I think we should call this segment Onsen Stories. What do you think?
Onsen Stories.
Onsen Stories. We just went to our second onsen?
You went to the first one a few more times than I did. I went 3 times? I don't know how many times you went. 23.
I've been like 5 times at this point.
Yeah.
But
This is the first time that either of us have done this. So we're still feeling out how these things work, sort of thing. We almost talked ourselves out of going to this one, just out of like, we're tired.
We can go tomorrow morning, but we went to it today instead.
Yeah. A certain amount of fear of the unknown too, like what are the rules, random anxiety things.
Yes.
Anyway, we went, and oh good lord, this was so magical because it had a rooftop onsen. You know, it's a little bit weird.
Outside, let's specify.
Yeah, outside.
Outdoors.
On the roof, outside, the snow is coming down. You're sitting in a circle of like rocks and nature and stuff, and the snow, and it's everything I ever dreamed of. Yeah, great time.
Yeah, it was magical.
I was surprised that there was like an older woman doing cleaning stuff in the area where I'm supposed to get naked. So I had to get naked like 3 feet away from an older lady, which was a little unusual for me. But
This place was absolutely magical.
Yeah,
the fact that we're sitting outside. And the water's so hot, but the top of your body can be out in the cold elements.
Yeah.
And it's a nice contrast.
I loved the onsen at the first place, but there was a certain amount of like,
So warm.
Oh, but like with the fresh, cold winter air and the snow coming down and landing on you gently while you're in steaming hot water, it's just yeah,
Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get to do a little bit more of that later on in the trip. But
I guess lots of pizza in the West have jacuzzis that they potentially go in the winter.
Yeah.
Say what?
I guess we're gonna go to sleep and we'll pick it up tomorrow. Take luck. Oh yeah, Sumi.
Yeah, Sumi.
See you in the morning. So I didn't want to film in the buffet, but holy crow, that was amazing.
Yeah. Many options.
Look at the beautiful central garden too. The snow. We just had a delicious breakfast. I didn't really feel comfortable filming it, but it's a huge buffet of all these local traditional dishes, and they each had the area that they're from, and it was really good.
I put a GoPro in my pocket with the idea of filming it, but by the time I'm holding a tray with both hands, it just didn't seem practical to also try to balance filming in that act.
Yeah, but I have a little bit of footage, just not a lot. Anyway, we're gonna go and check out, and then we're going to head to the train station to drop off our bags, and we're gonna explore Hakodate for a little bit.
Yeah.
See what we can see.
The foot bath and daylight.
Huh?
The foot bath and daylight.
It was so good.
Yeah.
We're waiting at this waiting spot to take a tram down to the station.
Yeah.
And there's a little cute guy over there. Yeah.
Assuming I have time, I'm gonna try and take a picture of that guy because he looks cute.
Ah, he looks cute.
Aww.
Just got off the tram and we're going to the Eki to drop off our bags for exploring the city a little bit. There's a fellow back there.
Yeah.
The station's really pretty. With the,
I think so too.
whatever you want to call them.
Alert and plate for things.
I always like when we have fun like this.
Oh, here's one.
We hardly ever have them. Just see through my mask.
Yeah, scandalous.
It says welcome to Hokkaido too. Look at Hokkaido.
You're welcome.
Barring some kind of crazy aneurysm, we can go back through. We took this locker,
I'm
and
assuming
we paid 700.
the numbers are on all the keys as well.
Yeah,
so.
we paid 700 yen, and now we're gonna go explore the city.
Yeah.
Look at this little cutie. I really don't like the flavor of squid. You're lucky, buddy. You're lucky. That's pretty cool. Anyway.
Are you filming stuff?
Yeah. Wanna go in?
Sure.
Okay, first. Go.
Yeah.
That's pretty too.
Yeah.
They look like grandma tracks on the eyes.
Yeah. Oh, does it?
About scallops, 2 of them. One of those scallops. You gotta tell us how it is though.
Fishy. Delicious.
Yeah? Excellent. That's pretty cool.
You can take a cable car up that hill.
As I just said.
Yeah, but the camera wasn't on, so now it looks like I knew that.
Yeah, you knew that. You're
Instead
so
of
smart.
just being told that.
I'm not gonna have time to do that.
No.
But this is a city I really like.
Looking at the hill from afar, it's a pretty hill.
Yeah.
I'm content with that experience.
Yeah, we've been up a lot of hills and cable cars, in my opinion. I think I've been up too many. Gondolas, the like.
If we had more time, I'd definitely say, yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Apparently it's gorgeous at sunset too.
You're gorgeous at sunset.
Oh, that's the only time. It's a pretty mountain. Time before we filmed our vacations?
I do remember a time before we filmed our vacation.
Yeah, weird.
That being said, we filmed a bunch during that vacation.
Yeah.
Just not for vlogs.
This is a really cool looking bridge.
Whenever a friend says I'm going to such and such a place for vacation, I tell them I can't wait to watch their vlogs. But
and no one's ever done it.
I guess not everyone makes vlogs. That's weird. Why wouldn't you?
Look how cool this is. Yep, this is cool. Beautiful mountain in the background. Is that crow laughing at me? Over there, that building is just perpetually crying.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Some buildings are sad.
Some are happy though.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. You see how clear the water is? It's insanity.
Yeah.
If you look down, it's like you can see the bottom clearly. Hey, you! Such a beautiful area. Sad to leave. The city's got a good vibe.